Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Birdman Review. So today we will review this book Birds of India written by Normal Alot. Birds of Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan. These price 699 rupees. Collins Field Guide Birds of India. So let's start. Hardcover book, very good page qualities plus very good covering of this book. Let's start. Birds of India. This is the contents of this book. This book is very better than the another there is in Amazon. Birds of Indian subcontinent. Everybody reviews that book, but this book is also very good. This is a map of Indian subcontinent. This is a bird topology. Every book contains bird topology. These are the plates of ducks, weather. These are the plates, main plates. These are hand-drawn photos. Geese. These are the names plus scientific names, size, male, female, color of the body, voice. All things are given in detail. These are the colorful plates, very good. Glossy page quality is very cool page qualities, and the photos are too much attractive, very much attractive. The field guide mainly. These are the names plus in India where they are found, where the birds are found is given here, such as white-fronted geese. It is found in some parts of India. White-fronted geese, it is found in some parts of India. Grey-lag goose, some parts of India. Where they are got mainly, that is seen. And these are the signs of the things. Where the breeding area, where is the main area. These are given here. Detailed book. These are the scientific name of those birds. So thank you. This is a very good book. How stars you will give out of 5? Thank you.